Welcome to West Coast Business Solutions, your source for bookkeeping tips, tricks, and tutorials. Hopefully you will find our resources helpful and informative, and stop by often to find answers to your bookkeeping questions. This video will assist you in how to set up a refund for a customer in your Sage 50 system. There is not a check feature in the accounts receivable module, so what we need to do is work around that. We're going to be setting up a vendor in the accounts payable module of your Sage 50 program. Then we will issue the customer a refund check from within the Sage 50 accounts payable module as well. Then I will walk you through how to remove the existing credit from your accounts receivable module and clear all the entries, and you're set to go. Let's get started. Issuing a refund check to a customer. Currently, I am showing the accounts receivable for a customer that's overpaid by $1,000 or possibly returned some product. So they have a credit on their account of $1,000. So we have to figure out how to issue them a refund check, because there is no check feature in the receivables module. So we're going to set up a supplier. So we're going to set up that customer as a supplier. We're going to enter their name here. And I'm not going to fill out any of the other information since this is just for demonstration purposes. So we'll save and close that. Now we're going to close that screen out, and we're going to enter a purchase for that particular customer, or now they're a vendor. So we're going to enter Vancouver customer and enter an invoice number, just call it refund. And the amount is going to be the amount that they have a credit for in the accounts receivable, which is $1,000. So we'll enter that there, and then the account number that we want to code that to is our suspense account. If you want more videos on that, I have suspense account tutorials as well. So we're going to go ahead and post that entry and close out this screen. Then we're going to go into our payments module, and all we have to do here is issue them their refund check for $1,000. So we'll go ahead and print it and we'll post it. So the refund check is complete. Now what we want to do is we need to clear that credit off of our accounts receivable report. So we're going to go into our sales, and we're going to enter a sale to our Vancouver customer. And the sale will be a positive amount of $1,000 so that we can clear off the negative $1,000 that's sitting in their account. So we're going to enter $1,000 positive, make sure there's no taxes involved, and again we're going to select our suspense account. So it's just being coded to suspense. This will end up being an in and out entry, and you'll see that in the next steps of the video. So we'll post that and close out that screen. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go into our reports menu, and we're going to show our receivables report for that particular customer, and you're going to see that it's an in and out entry in accounts receivable, and the net result is 0. So we've cleared out that amount and we've issued them a refund check. Now what we're going to do is also show you the suspense account details, and that is going to show that it is also an in and out entry and your books are clean. So oops, sorry, I didn't do the date range there. So we'll do the date range just to show that the entry went in and out of suspense and the net result is 0. So we say okay here, and it shows the 1,000 in and the 1,000 out, and the net result of 0. We're going to close that out. And the one final thing that you need to do is go into your receipts in your accounts receivable module, and you're going to select the Vancouver customer. The other thing you want to do is you're not receiving a check, so we're going to go over to the payment method and we're going to say cash, and we'll go out through and clear out the $2,000 entries. The net result is 0, so it does nothing to your books other than clearing off this amount out of accounts receivable. So we go ahead and post that entry, close that out, and we're done. Thank you for visiting West Coast Business Solutions, your source for bookkeeping tips, tricks, and tutorials. If you have any bookkeeping questions that you would like answers for, feel free to leave a question in the comments section and we would be happy to help you out. If you found this video useful, please hit like and subscribe. Have a great day.